Yeah guys, in the previous video I was explaining about the chatbot for education. I was explaining the working of the same and other features of the chatbot, and this for the demonstration I have shown you the images of the Mahatma Gandhi context which was processed, and here this chatbot for this chatbot demonstration will take some thing related to chemistry. You can see here is a it will have this context has the real life use of all the elements. For example, you see hydrogen, its use, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. This page has all the elements, and this context will now take and you give it as an input context for the bot and ask some questions related to the same and see what how bot replies. Let's go. This is the code for a chatbot for education. The highlighted text is the importing libraries. Then I'm extracting the content from the website, real life use of every element periodic table that I showed you right now, and I'm passing the content and making it into a sentence list. And this I'm defining a function to find out the cosine similarity of a string of one sentence with the sentences, all the sentences in the context, and I'm finding the most relevant. The most relevant, if it is equal, if it is the same exact text, the cosine similarity will be 1. If it is not at all relevant, cosine similarity will be 0, and if it is partially relevant, it will be in the range of 0 to 1. And this is the greeting response. It will check if the user is input is a greeting, so if at all it's a greeting response, the bot will be replying greetings, what's up, and hola, hey, hello, and random text from the greeting context it has. And this is the bot response, where the user question means input will be found out. If it is not a greeting or exit response, it will be running in the bot response, and it will check if it is relevant or not. If it is not relevant, it will say sorry, I don't apologize. If it is relevant, it will find out the cosine similarity of that user input with the context, and it will give the relevant answer. If the cosine similarity is 0 for everything, then it means that it is not relevant. Hence the bot automatically will say it doesn't understand anything. Instead of giving a uncertain result like a wrong answer, the bot itself will tell that it is not it doesn't know the answer. And this is a list for the exit chatbot, which means if any of the exit statement is present in this, the chatbot will break. And this is the while loop that keeps running until user inputs something related to or something in the exit list, else the it keeps on running and the interaction is continuous. I'm running it. Yes, it is like right now taking the context from the website, and as you see here in the right, it is taking like cesium or atomic weight, all the contents from the website as I showed, and it is making it in the form of list. And now it is like welcome you to my chatbot. I'm telling hi, hey, hello. It is recognizing the greeting text and it is greeting me again. Now I'm typing some irrelevant text. Sorry, I don't apologize, I don't understand. Let's try it again with some random thing. Yes, the chatbot is telling that it don't understand. Let me ask some questions based on the context. Okay, yeah. What is tell me a soft metal. Tell me a soft metal, I'm telling. And the bot is giving me an answer as potassium. Second relevant answer potassium, and in the description potassium is a software metal and is very reactive. Third is yttrium, which is also a soft metal. And the first answer is something related to description about the soft metal. And let me ask name a reactive element. Yeah, it is telling me that fluorine, the number one is fluorine. Fluorine is yellowish poisonous gas and most reactive element, and it tells some context related to the same. Let me ask the same question in another way. Name a reactive metal. Yeah, see, the now the response is different. The first is potassium. It is soft metal and very reactive, so our bot is able to identify which is a metal, which is an element, not a metal. So this is the success of our bot. It is not giving fluorine, which is a non-metal. Here you can see lithium, which is a lightest metal and soft and very reactive. Sodium, which is also a very reactive soft metal. And another question will be hard element. The bot is telling me iridium is a non corroding hard metal and is also densest element. And second is osmium. Osmium is also a densest element, as you see here in the description. Hence, you can see here the bot is giving us the more appropriate result as we want. And now I'm trying to end the statement by saying bye. The chatbot ends by saying chat with you later, and this is how a chatbot works. And in the field of education, this will have a great impact when it is deployed into an application app or a website also is good. And the database can be increased, and the hardware component means hardware support can also be increased, so that the chatbot is already trained for a lot of questions, and that would ensure that for any content related to chemistry, we can have different bot for chemistry. Any question you ask, this chatbot will be able to answer, and such kind of things. This chatbot will play an important role in the society related to education. Hope you like this project. Thank you.